Yo, what's up guys? What an off-season. Charlotte Hornets is trading away LaMelo Ball. Wow! Wow! He is going to the Minnesota Timberwolves kasama si Josh Green. Samantalang ang matatanggap ng Hornets ay si Naz Reid at isang unprotected 2033 first round draft pick. Ang layo pa niyan ha. Tapos 3 pick swaps at 3 second round picks. Again, wow! This is a surprise to be honest kasi galing sila sa isang promising season with 44 wins. Yan yung best season nila after 10 years. LaMelo played 72 games, nag-average ng 20 points, 5 rebounds at 7 assists per game. Tsaka second siya sa buong liga with 272 made 3-pointers. And kapag nasa loob siya ng court, nasa 125.8 ang offensive rating ng team dahil sa kanyang pagiging elite playmaker. Kaya I really don't know why. Sa pag-alis niya na to, another rebuild na naman ba para sa Hornets with Brandon Miller and Con Kneppel? Though okay pa rin naman yung roster nila to compete with Naz Reid at Kobe White. Nag-average si Reid ng 13.6 points at 6.2 rebounds off the bench. Baka ayaw lang nila yung contract ni LaMelo Ball. So, ganun din ba yung mangyayari kina Con at Miller kapag lumakas na silang maglaro at nakakuha ng max deal? Para naman sa Wolves, excited na ang mga tao na mapanood ang duo ni LaMelo Ball at Anthony Edwards. Tsaka sila yung may cap space after i-trade si Julius Randle para sa cap relief. Meron pang 3 years si Ball with 130 million and he is also eligible to sign an extension sa July 6 to stay longer dito sa Wolves. Maraming fans ang mahal si Naz Reid pero getting LaMelo Ball is they are all for it. Ayun yung gusto makasama ni Edwards, yung magpapawawas ng kanyang pressure sa handling the ball and yung may isa pang pupuntahan yung team, especially on offense. Grabe yung backcourt na to. Simulan na kaya natin yung NBA season. Sa transition pa lang, alam mong mabangis na kapag nagsabay silang dalawa eh. For sure, makakakita tayo ng mga alley-oop plays sa dalawa. Tsaka, matitake away din kay Jaden McDaniels yung bola, which ayun din yung naging bad habit nila last playoffs. Bakit siya yung nag-a-isolation tas wala nang playmaking yung team? So, is this it para sa Wolves or may kulang pa? Though, syempre, may risk pa rin to sa future ng Wolves. Merong injury history sa LaMelo Ball. Pero, he worked hard to play 72 games last season. And, that is impressive. Kaya, sumugal na rin yung Wolves kasi nakita rin nila to. Mukhang magiging relevant na si Rudy Gobert kasi meron ng magaling na point guard. Kailangan niya na lang is idakdak yung bola from their action. So, overall, grabe talaga yung trade. Nakaka-excite. Kayo ba? Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. I will now step back. Bye-bye.